Hello friends, today we are going to Exposure Africa Crafts Market in Kampala, Uganda. This is the Exposure Africa where a lot of handicraft goods are there. So we are coming inside. Hello. Exposure Africa is one of the largest craft markets in the city of Kampala. Located on Uganda Road, it consists of many stalls that sell African crafts and souvenirs. Products available include handmade sandals, wooden sculptures, textiles, jewellery, and traditional decorative items. The market attracts both tourists and local shoppers. Bargaining is a common practice here, and buyers often negotiate prices with the vendors. Handicrafts in Kampala represent a wide range of traditional skills and artistic expressions developed by various ethnic communities across Uganda. Many of these crafts are handmade using locally available materials such as wood, clay, fibers, leather, beads, and natural dyes. This is a very interesting product. It is made of Coca-Cola bottle caps. Common types of handicrafts sold in Kampala include 1. Wood carvings. Wood carving is one of the most prominent traditional crafts in Uganda. Artisans create sculptures, masks, animals, household items, stools, and decorative pieces. These carvings often depict wildlife such as elephants, giraffes, and antelopes, reflecting Uganda's rich biodiversity. Number 2. Woven baskets and mats. Basket weaving is widely practiced by several communities, especially in rural areas. Baskets are made from banana fibers, raffia, palm leaves, and grasses. These items are used both for household purposes and decorative purposes. 3. Textiles and fabric crafts. Textiles include batik fabrics, tie-dyeing clothing, and bark cloth products. Bark cloth, which is made from the bark of mutuba tree, is one of Uganda's oldest traditional fabrics and is recognized as an important cultural heritage. 4. Beadwork and jewellery. Artisans produce necklaces, bracelets, and earrings from beads, seeds, recycled paper, and shells. Paper bead jewellery is particularly popular because it combines creativity with environmental sustainability. 5. Paintings and contemporary art. Local artists create paintings that depict African culture, wildlife, urban life, and historical themes. Many souvenir shops in Kampala also sell art prints and handmade canvases created by local painters. These handicrafts serve both decorative and cultural purposes and are often purchased as souvenirs by tourists visiting Uganda. We are continuing our marketing, our shopping. Yeah. Thank you. I want to see what all things you had to offer. This is my Ugandan friend Martin. He brought me to this market, and he also took me to different interesting places in Kampala. Martin is a very friendly and a dynamic young man. Since he is a local person, he could guide me properly to different places of interest in Kampala. Other major handicraft markets and souvenir shops in Kampala are 1. Uganda Arts and Crafts Village. This is one of the most popular crafts markets in Kampala. Located behind the Uganda National Theatre, this market consists of numerous stalls where artisans sell handmade crafts and souvenirs. The market offers a wide range of products including wood carvings, leather goods, clothing, jewellery, paintings and traditional decorative items. 2. Ovino Market. Ovino Market is one of the largest markets in Uganda and offers a wide range of goods, including handicrafts and traditional products. Although the market is primarily known for clothing and general merchandise, visitors can also find handmade crafts, textiles, jewellery, and souvenirs. Handicrafts and souvenir shops in Kampala play a major role in Kampala's economy. 1. Promotion of cultural heritage. Handicraft markets help preserve Uganda's traditional knowledge and artistic skills. Many designs reflect cultural symbols, historical sites, and tribal identities. 2. Employment creation. The craft sector provides employment opportunities for artisans, traders, designers, and market vendors. Many artisans rely on craft production as their main source of income. 3. Tourism development. Souvenir shops play a significant role in Uganda's tourism industry. Tourists often purchase handicrafts as souvenirs to remember their visit, which increases demand for locally produced crafts. 4. Support for small and medium enterprises. Most handicraft businesses in Kampala operate as small enterprises. Craft market allows entrepreneurs and artisans to sell their products without requiring large capital investments. Challenges facing handicrafts and souvenir shops. Despite their importance, the handicraft sector in Kampala faces several challenges. One is the competition from imported products. Cheap imported goods sometimes compete with the locally made crafts. Another factor is limited access to international markets. Many artisans lack the resources to explore their products to global markets. Inconsistent quality standards is another major challenge. Some handicraft products vary in qualities, which can affect customer confidence. And the last thing is lack of marketing and branding. Many craft producers have limited knowledge of branding, packaging, and online marketing. I finished my visit. I am now going back. I hope you like this video. If so, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Around the Globe by Satyan Achap. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.